how to contact Groupon customer service. So simply open the application, make sure that you are logged into your account, and then simply tap on My Stuff. After doing that, if you scroll down, you'll get the option of customer support. So if you simply tap on it, here you can see there are different things that might help you. So in here, there's the option of buying and payments. If you have the questions regarding to it, you can find it. You also have the option of changes and refunds, and even the questions on events. So in here, you cannot directly contact to a customer service through it. So if you really want to do that, what you can do is simply go back first of all and get back to our My Stuff page. And then here you can swipe up and then you can see the option of My Purchases, tap on it. And so after tapping on it here, you'll be able to see all of your purchased voucher or coupons. Now you'll have to tap on the specific voucher or coupon that you have the questions to. After tapping on it, you'll have to scroll down and then you can see the option of Manage Voucher. Tap on it and then you'll be able to contact to the customer service. You can simply write down the exact question that you have regarding that voucher and then simply tap on Send. So replies can take about 1 to 2 business days, so you'll have to wait for them to mail you back. And that is how you can contact to Groupon customer service. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.